If we are talking about sports, it's quite a bit different than roadway. We don't have dusk to dawn. We have lower light levels. It's a different animal. So what ends up happening is there's two phases to this program. There's a design phase, which we're calling phase 1, and there's an inspection phase, it's phase 2. If the customer is saying, I want this to be DarkSky compliant, then what happens is the lighting designer is instructed to send their lighting design into James. James has the ability to do a third-party review. If it's in compliance, then he sends a letter back to the person that submits for approval saying you're in compliance, or you're not in compliance, please resubmit. Here's a couple examples of what we're talking about, which is meeting the criteria, just a frame of reference for what you may see with respect to sports lighting, even with LED products these days. So it is a bunch of hoops that the lighting designer has to jump through to conform to these guidelines. It is not easy, and you can tell that there's a huge amount of effort that was taken into minimizing or mitigating those concerns of the program. This isn't just about sports lighting, this is about all lighting in general, and how do we reverse this trend. We're also working on something that the cities or counties could adopt from an ordinance standpoint to help with this same problem, mitigating light pollution.